Alright, this is the line that goes back to the back area, the build on. And there's a bunch of telephone lines here. And there's a big old cluster over here where there's a tie-in. We got a P-trap built into the line right there from that sink in the bathroom. I guess there's the vent stack. That's where the toilet sits. The snake's running down here into this cluster. So I just don't see where there's a clean out. There's a tie-in right there in that pipe going towards the front of the building. But there's some kind of clog down in here somewhere. Just can't be cleaned out without a heavy-duty snake. I don't think anything's running uphill to this old pipe. This must have been, unless they're tying in down here, further down the line. Oh, shit. Why this is all. There's got to be a clean out somewhere. At least by code there should be. Man, it's ridiculous. That's got to be the old line. Okay. Okay. Well, it's definitely something pre-existing way down the line. We done shut that snake pretty far through here. And oh, that's where that other line is. Whatever that was. A water cooler or something. Now, and there's the kitchen, I guess, way back there. Coming across. Where's it tying in? Right there? Yeah, right here. And then it's going back there. So it's running out the front somewhere. Huh. Alright.
Can you see anything?
Yeah. Grab that and turn it off. The video.
Turn it off?
Yeah, I got the video.
Oh, okay.